dance for Earth, the dance to save our planet from climate change. A team of friendly aliens received news that Earth was in trouble, so they rushed onto their spaceship and zoomed toward our planet. Upon landing, the quirky aliens stepped out, surprised by the changes in the environment. Enzat, one of the aliens puzzled by the sight, said, "This isn't what we expected. Earth is in trouble." "Is their leader?" Gekad cheerfully exclaimed. "It's time to act." "But how?" They continued talking about what to do next. A boy named Aiden, enjoying a playful moment in his garden with his dog Rocky, notices the spaceship. "Wow, aliens!" he shouts with excitement. Approaching the aliens, they communicate through fun dances. Realizing they want to save the planet, Aiden becomes excited. Enzat, one of the aliens, says, "We come in peace. We're here to groove and save Earth from climate change." The aliens form a dance line, showing off their intergalactic dance moves. The aliens teach Aiden their unique dance, blending it with popular Earth dances. Chekad, the alien leader, excitedly announced, "Let's show the Earth how to fight climate change." The aliens start a dance challenge, inviting everyone worldwide. People of various ages and from different countries come together to dance at famous spots all over the world, in cities and even on beaches. Aiden excitedly announced, "Join the Dance for Earth challenge. Every move counts in saving our planet." Share your dance using the hashtag #DanceForEarth to spread awareness. Let's keep dancing towards a greener future, one step at a time. Together, we can save our home. The moral of the story is that through an unexpected alliance of aliens and Earthlings, unity through dance can address climate change. Their collaborative efforts in the Dance for Earth challenge showcased that each step counts, emphasizing the power of collective action. Together, they dance toward a sustainable future, proving that diverse movements create a rhythm protecting our planet.